Here's Landau.
What's up, y'all? I'm about to hit y'all with this footage on this Landau. So, before y'all even comment, right, I initially bought this car after seeing a two-door Landau sale for $19,500. When I seen that a box Chevy sold for that, I was like, I'm buying every two-door that pop up. And then I found a two-door on Facebook. Look clean, appeared clean, right? Malibu man, a guy here with a Malibu. Now, he bought the car from, it was in the Chicago area. But I be telling people, like, don't buy cars from up there because they be rushy. So I was gonna have somebody come look at it for me. Tweet you gonna come look at it for me. But the car like popped up and disappeared. So somebody here bought it. And when he got it, he was like, dang, rust everywhere, rust everywhere. But I still wanted it because I could piece a car together with another car. So it had most of the trim, wheel well trim, a whole interior. Like, it had everything. So I was like, man, it's just a still like it's a no-brainer. But it's, if you was just buying it to ride, it wouldn't be a no-brainer. It'd be a waste of money. So when I seen him, man, I was like, that's the start of my 19.5 right there, man. I ain't gonna charge no 19.5 though. I'm like, that's the start to my check. So, boom, bought that, and then I found another one. With the other one, I'm gonna go ahead and leave an ending for that video once I edit it. So, I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now, matter of fact. But you got that fresh footage for y'all. I forgot to download my Instagram story when I had it on Instagram, but whatever. So, here y'all go. What's up, y'all? SCS back with another one. I was working, and I was like, dang, it's a two-door just popped up for sale. I know I love them two-doors. But the two-door is going at an all-time high, so seen this one. I was like, dang, this thing is clean. Right? And I also seen another one. Once I seen, well, I've been seeing the other one, but it was for parts, and I need some parts for my two-door. Got here, thing is rusty. Like rust with an E at the end. Let me tell y'all where it came from too. Came from the house. This thing rusty, like big rust. Like rust be gone. Like rust galore. Rust. Fins ain't look too bad. Quarters ain't look too bad. But no rush. Do got a set of bumpers that I was selling. If you need a back bumper. So guess I'm not selling my bumpers no more. I can go ahead and take that down. Front back Euro. 84. 305. Like a 200 on there, 350. Exhaust. Running dry though. But it ain't nothing spectacular. Definitely need a whole bunch of work that I'm not gonna do no time soon. But still, these things at an all-time freaking high. And you know what? I need it. So, came out here, checked it out. Was able to work something out. About to go and roll it up on the trailer. Like I said, it do run and dry. Floors on it, trash. A lot of it. A lot of work, man. A lot of work. A lot of work. Got a digital dash that I can put in one of the ones, whichever one, how we work this out. But I'm checking the other one out tomorrow. It's like these things calling my name now. They coming. And then I did see one in Monty, Illinois. A little bit outskirts in Chicago. And it was like 2,300, but it wasn't all that clean. I was like, dang. I wonder how much. And next thing I know, it was gone. So that didn't work out. I had Tweet G going to check that one out for me. But anyway, about to get the wheel changed out. Put it on the trailer. Takes it out. What's up? Back at the pad. Man, just cut the grass quick. Trim the bushes. I'm over here looking in my junk pile for some spare wheels. I gotta change both of them back wheels so I can roll this thing off. See, I got Chevy. Got Chevy spare. That's a full box Chevy spare. And this is a box Chevy spare too, but no tire for it. Besides that, it's a 16, it's a 15 rounds, 17, and 2 15s. So we'll take these Chevy ones and see if they can bolt up to it. Both of them. Them 14 right there. So I'll take both of them. Yeah, so the 14s from the Chevy actually fit. Didn't know if they would. But that's pretty cool. I'm hot and I'm tired. I don't got the washer for the spoke that just came off. There we go. Let's see if it'll work. Matter of fact, I got some box Chevy lugs on the floor. Box Chevy. Box Chevy. Chrome. I need a couple just to get it off. Running drive. I ain't need to do no test drive. Nah, these for something else. This is definitely for a box Chevy. See me struggling? Life of a car guy. See, 19. All right. Get this other one, this cracker thing. Should be alright. My Bobcat stuff. Wonder what that sound is. Yeah, it's coming from the motor, sound like. Flywheel. Oh. Power steering. Pretty crap. Yeah, man. Yeah, it's just best I leave this right here because one of the caps just popped off this one. So I'm gonna get these. That one bad anyway. I'm gonna get that off, and then put a tire on that good wheel that I got. Yeah, this is a good one supposedly. But I'm gonna get these off because death trap. Death trap waiting to happen, man. Hope it wasn't shipped like that. But front and the back bumper bent. That one bent up, and the other one bent in the middle. But it is Landau. Can't say. But yeah, I'm gonna come back out here tonight. Change this one wheel so I can be able to turn it, stick it in the backyard. They covered this up on this Euro. But like I say, from afar, man, I posted on Instagram. Looks can be deceiving. From afar, you'll think this is an alright car. So you get up close on it. Windows mismatched, frame rusted, quarters rusted, rockers rusted. But yeah, I need some parts, so can't be picky when you in need. Somebody put a single stage on here. Cheap people. But yeah, like I said, the back bumper busted. Door handle. Old car, man. It run though. Don't run great, but yep, just bought a 2 Landau. Wasn't sure of parting it out. stealing some parts from him for sure. But I'm unsure on parting it out because I am looking for another one. Supposed to be checking out tomorrow. Another 2-door, non-running. Swap the parts over. But we'll see how that go. But I definitely need some of them parts myself off that Landau. It don't even gotta be a Landau no more. It's so rusty. It deserves to be at the yard. But it's here, man. I'm out. Good. Dent it in the middle. 2 dents on both sides. Filler missing. The bumper got pushed all the way up. Sure it come down with the both. The front fenders mismatching. But they ain't bad. Both of them got the well, this one don't got the trim up there. But the bottom trim, I think it's in the trunk. Wheel trim on there. All that. Rocker trim on this side is there. Window trim. Trunk got a push button. Bumper bent. Rust in the door. Rust in both rocker panels. And no surprise, the floor is rusted out. Flintstone style. Rocker is completely shot. Flip it back, voila. You can see the floor. Floor is completely gone. Front and back. Quarter needs some work on this side. Lower quarter. It's in this area and down. Stay up the top a couple times, ain't nothing go through really. But I don't know without taking it off. Front windshield crack, window trims there, need that. Actually need a lot of this trim. Hood trim bad. All the glass other than the windshield is good. Interior ain't too bad. No rips. Carpet ain't good at all, as you see. Dash crack. A lot of stuff missing. Well, the door panel's in the trunk. Hold on, I'll show you that. But a lot of little stuff in the inside missing. Like the radio bezel, the lock for the glove box. Headliner sagging. The cover, the radio, the horn, screw for the horn. It's a cover piece, a little slip ring that go right there. The flex plate make that noise. I'm not sure what it is. I ain't looking through it. Like I say, I drove it on the trailer, so I know it dry. Brakes leak on this side. Wheel stud, probably all of them need replaced. Like I said, that noise is something between the flex plate, starter, and the torque converter. AC don't work. These my wheels. I only put them on here. Both of the back ones. I only put it on here to move it down. Yeah, like I say, do run. I ain't sure if it run hot or nothing. I ain't bad for all that. Like I said, I bought it for the trim. And the rest parts.